New at 5, warmer temperatures leading to a rising number of ticks, and now it's impacting animals and potentially the food you eat. The threat of disease from the bugs is growing across Missouri. Avery Martinez dives into how we might protect our animals.
Last week, we met a woman living with tick-borne diseases, changing her life forever. Now we're investigating a recently discovered threat, a sesame seed-sized bug called the longhorn tick, carrying disease and deadly risk for cows. But local researchers are working hard to understand those risks, helping ranchers fight infestations before they start.
We've sort of been expecting the longhorn tick to show up for a while now.
Because the tick was found in other parts of Missouri in 2021, and because the tick can reproduce asexually, it was only a matter of time.
This longhorn tick has already brought with it a strain of an illness that can cause serious disease and death in cattle.
Which is a major problem in Australia, especially for cattle ranchers. A single tick can lay thousands of eggs, creating such an infestation they can suck the cow dry of blood, killing it.
Locally in Missouri, there's really no season anymore that's not tick season.
Which is why it's important for farmers to do tick checks or scientists to watch insects closely. Solney Adelsteinson's team has been tracking tick populations at the Tyson Research Center, part of Washington University.
I'll take off this sheet, put the ticks on it. Once they're in there for a little bit, we'll be able to take them out, pick them out with tweezers, and identify them under the microscope.
And we've been tracking the tick population, the interactions between ticks and their wildlife hosts in those plots, and then have plans to screen those ticks for the pathogens, so the bacteria and viruses that can cause disease.
Researchers also test containment or environmental strategies like controlled burns, testing to see if tick infestations could be managed with flames.
We're mainly studying the Lone Star tick in that system. We're expecting that we might need several rounds of fire to actually change the habitat enough to control the tick population.
The Lone Star is common in Missouri, known to carry Lyme disease, alpha-gal syndrome, and other serious tick-borne illnesses to humans and animals. But this important research may not continue due to changes at the federal level about research projects.
Along with many other scientific disciplines right now, getting funding to do this kind of work and really assess the threat of ticks and this new invasive species in particular is really difficult at the moment because of all the changes to the funding agencies.
If the funding continues, the tick programs would go on, and hopefully they would discover how to best fight longhorn ticks. For First Alert 4, I'm Avery Martinez.